that's like probably the hardest thing, is that you come into a company that, you don't know anything about
Mm.
how they do things. And so it's very much like having to ask questions like, how do y'all break up inspections? Like, what's y'all's quality control process like?
Mm.
What kind of buildings are you building, right? Like, you have to ask all these questions and kind of peel back the layers, and then help, understand, like, you've built a tool, right? And I think that's probably like one of the things that a lot of construction software might not feel like today to a lot of people, is that like they see that you've built a robot, right? The robot maybe only works that certain way. And I'm very focused on building a tool that can be used, like, Microsoft Excel, for example, right?
Mhm.
It can do anything you need it to do,
Mm.
right? It's how you use it is how it's going to be helpful to you, right? It's not, you have to stay in this cookie cutter thing. So like, if you wanted to look at your facade plans, you could bring in your facade drawing and do inspections on your facade. It's very like, however your drawings are, you can customize it to your drawings, to your workflow. It's to fit the project, because every single project is a one-time thing, right? I think Todd Wynn always talks about it being like, it's a one-time prototype, right? That we have to get right the first time when we're building these deals, right?
Yeah.
And you're never going to build this building again, right? And so like, the software needs to also be in this like prototype mode, that it can like work for whatever thing gets thrown at it when you're like using this as like it's a tool to the job,